Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Hi students, our today's topic is about experiment with yeast to show about anaerobic respiration. So what is anaerobic respiration? It is a respiration process which occurs in absence of oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and ethanol. To produce carbon dioxide and ethanol. Okay, so this process occurs in absence of oxygen. So glucose molecule breaks down to pyruvic acid. Okay, this glucose molecules, which is a 6 carbon compound, break down to pyruvic acid. Then pyruvic acid in absence of oxygen gives you ethanol plus carbon dioxide and energy. So it occurs in yeast. Such a process we call fermentation process. Hope this process of anaerobic respiration is very clear for you children. And lactic acid is also formed in absence of oxygen. Okay, and this lactic acid is formed by bacteria and it is also formed in our muscle cells, as we discussed previously about anaerobic respiration. Hope so this concept of anaerobic respiration is clear for you all children. Okay, now let us try to learn the activity to show the anaerobic respiration with yeast. So our aim is to show anaerobic respiration. So we require certain materials. Those materials are thermoflask, thermometer, delivery tube, beaker, double hulled rubber cork, yeast, glucose solution, liquid paraffin and lime water. And Janus green is also used in order to check whether there is a presence or absence of oxygen. Okay, now let us discuss the procedure to perform this experiment. So to perform this experiment, first we need to prepare a glucose solution in a beaker. Okay, so after preparing a glucose solution, heat that a glucose solution for a minute and cool it without shaking. After few minutes, add glucose solution into the flask. Okay, then add some yeast to the glucose solution. Flask. Pour some liquid paraffin wax. So this is one layer of liquid paraffin wax we need to pour in a flask. So what is the use of this liquid paraffin wax? It prevent entry of oxygen. Okay, so if you want to check the oxygen has been removed from the mixture or not, so before pouring liquid paraffin wax, add few drops of Janus green. Okay, add some drops of Janus green B. So this is the solution. Okay, it turns into pink when oxygen is in short supply. Okay, so if you want to check whether the oxygen has been removed or not. Now take a lime water in the tester tube. Okay, now arrange a delivery tube from glucose solution to the test tube and arrange a thermometer and note down the initial temperature of the thermometer. Leave this entire setup for a day and observe what changes generally occur. So after a day, we generally observe that there will be rise in temperature. So means temperature increases in the thermometer and the lime water which was in the test tube, it turns into milky. So increase in temperature and converting lime water into milky white. So this proves that anaerobic respiration occur in yeast. So this is an experiment to show about anaerobic respiration with yeast. So children, this is about anaerobic respiration. I think you have understood this. It is one of the very important lab activity which was asked many times in the examinations. So please do go through this lab activity, practice it, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, and press the bell icon for all the notifications of our latest videos. Thank you children. Have a nice day.